Hey guys, what's up? And it's me, And today I'm gonna teach you how to cook some pizza in the microwave. First, what you gotta do is you gotta grab the pizza box. I'm using Papa John for this video. Not sponsored. Must say that. Not sponsored. Sponsor me. But basically, yeah, gotta grab it. Oh wait, well, what are you gonna put on your microwave? Obviously, you need something. So you just gotta grab your good old paper towel with one hand, Just, just with skill, just gotta have it with skill. But yeah, after you get the paper towel, you gotta bring it over here. Grab the slice of pizza you want to make. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm not sponsored by it or anything. Just choosing this one. Please sponsor me. Anyways, so then you gotta put it in the microwave, and then you gotta close this back up. And close it. Perfect. Then you just gotta put it back in the microwave, just where you found it. There we go. No one will know. No one will ever know that you did this. But then you just gotta put it in. I personally do 45 seconds. You gotta sort of sit here. Wait till it's done. Okay, just like that, you're done. You microwaved. Okay, just like that, you're done. You microwave your pizza, and then boom. But there's one more step. If you don't like the grease of the of the microwave pizza, simple thing. So you grab another paper towel. Here first, another paper towel, and with this paper towel, you know all you gotta do. It's pretty self-explanatory after this, but if you don't know what to do, you gotta real quick bring it over here. Transfer the pizza. Transfer the pizza. Transfer the pizza. Just like that. Perfect. But yeah. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, no one's watching this, so I mean, like, yeah. It's pretty educational, I know.